I wanted to see if Buzzy AI could actually build an app without me writing code, or if no code AI was just another way of saying you still have to figure everything out yourself. So I gave it a real test. I started with an app idea instead of a blank code editor, and the interesting part was how quickly I could get from that idea to something I could actually interact with. That's what makes Buzzy AI interesting for people who aren't developers. Instead of starting with HTML, JavaScript, databases, and a bunch of technical setup, you can focus more on what the app is supposed to do. If you're a startup founder trying to validate an idea, a freelancer building a prototype for a client, or a business owner who needs a simple internal tool that can remove a pretty big barrier. And I think that's the biggest advantage here. You can test an idea before spending a ton of money building it. Maybe you've got an idea for a customer portal, a simple business tool, a dashboard, or some kind of workflow app. Normally, you'd either need to learn how to build it or pay somebody to do the first version. With an AI-assisted no-code workflow, you can get something moving much faster. But I wouldn't hear build apps without coding and assume you can describe literally anything and get a perfect production-ready application. That's not how it works. Once your app becomes more complicated, you're still going to run into things like data structure, integrations, permissions, logic, and design decisions. AI can speed up the building process, but it doesn't remove the need to understand what you're building. That's also where I'd separate a prototype from a real business application. Getting a basic version working is one thing. Making sure it's secure, reliable, scalable, and ready for real customers is a completely different job. For me, that's where Buzzy AI makes the most sense. It's a fast way to turn an idea into something tangible. You can see what works, figure out what's missing, and iterate before committing serious development, time, or money. And honestly, for founders and freelancers, that can be incredibly useful. Sometimes the hardest part of building an app isn't the coding, it's figuring out whether the idea is even worth building. So, can Buzzy AI replace a developer? For simple apps and early prototypes, it can take away a lot of the initial work. But for serious production software, I'd still want experienced development behind it. The bigger question is this: if you could describe an app and have AI build the first version for you, what would you create? Comment below and tell me the app idea you've had sitting in your head. I want to know what you build if coding wasn't the thing stopping you.